So some of the lessons are going to be listening lessons where you have to play an audio file and you need to learn how to share your computer audio with the students. And you do that again by using the screen sharing function. This might seem a little bit odd because you think, I just want to share my audio, not my screen. You click on the screen sharing and then you have this window here popping up again. And then down here at the bottom, on the left-hand side, it says here, share computer audio. You can also click on sharing the video clip in optimized mode. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click here on share computer audio and then click on share. Okay, so my whole screen is shared now. And I'm just going to change the tabs and go back to my course book. You can see here's a listening. And when I click here, because this is an interactive digital course book, when I click here on the icon, the audio opens up, okay? And when I play it, you will be able to hear the audio. You obviously always hear it very clearly, and you can always, it's a good habit to get into, just to play the first couple of seconds to stop and just to double check that your students can all hear it clearly, okay? You can also mute the students. They will still be able to hear, but there won't be any noise coming from their room that could be distracting, or, you know, just something that would make it difficult for everybody to hear. And then if you also want your students to have a look at the task, just make sure you move this a little bit here to the side, and then you can just play the audio, okay? Now let's say you are already in screen sharing mode and you've been working on something before here and you forgot to share your audio. You can also do this from this setting here already, okay? So have a look again. We've got this floating zoom bar. And if I go over, this is always like it minimizes, okay? But if you go up here with your cursor, you can see that it comes up, it pops up again. And then here under more, it's the third option from the top. You can also share your computer audio. So now when I click on the audio, it will be shared again and it will be really crystal clear and very good quality. If you don't do that, either the students won't hear anything or they will just hear what your microphone picks up from your speakers. Usually the quality is very poor and it's not really sufficient to do a listening task, okay? So always double check, make sure you share your audio. And when you stop sharing your screen, it goes back to the default mode. So when you share your screen again now, okay, for mine, it saves it, but sometimes it doesn't, so you have to double check, okay? And then always, like I said, check with the students really and ask them quickly, okay, could you hear the start? Okay, great. And then play the rest, all right? And that's really it.